So have you ever looked at a photo and thought, I wish I could completely transform this instead of just making it bright or removing a blemish? Well, with Galaxy AI Photo Assist, you can do exactly that. So most people only use AI to erase unwanted objects or maybe touch up a photo, but Samsung has packed it in with some seriously creative features that can completely change the look and feel of your image. So today I'm going to show you 10 creative ways to use Galaxy AI Photo Assist that go beyond basic photo retouching. So if you enjoyed this simple Samsung tips and tricks like this, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the Simple Dad, and ring the notification bell. Every like helps this video reach more people, so thank you for your support. So let's get started. So have you ever wondered what it looked like with a black hair, maybe a blonde hair, maybe red, silver, or even bright blue? So using Galaxy AI, you can transform your hairstyle by changing the color while keeping the rest of your portrait look natural. So it's a fun way to experiment before committing to a real color change, and it's surprisingly convincing when done with good quality portrait. So here I have a portrait of this lady, and we'll go ahead and change the color of her hair. So we'll tap on Galaxy AI, and I will go ahead and tap on Create. Now in Create, we'll go ahead and describe what to change. Change the color of her hair to red. We'll tap on Generate, and we'll see what it gives us. There we go. So from a black hair, we have a red hair. Let's go ahead and try something else. Change the color of the hair to blonde and make it short. And there we have it. So we've managed to change the color of the hair, and we've also given it a haircut. So these are all the variations we have. So we have black, red, and blonde with short hair. So this is perfect for trying a new look, creating eye-catching social media photos, planning your next hairstyle, or maybe simply just having fun with friends. So you took a great selfie, but the background is cluttered, boring, or just doesn't fit the mood. So Galaxy AI can replace a distracting background with completely new environment. So it can turn your living room into a tropical beach, a mountain landscape, a modern skyline, or even outer space while keeping the subject look natural. So here I have a photo where this person is sitting in his living room. We'll go ahead and change this around, and we'll go ahead and make him look like he's sitting in a balcony. So here we'll tap on Galaxy AI, we'll tap on Create, and we'll go ahead and describe what to change. Change the background so that there is a balcony in the background. And there we go. So we've moved his sofa near a balcony, and at the back we have buildings. Isn't that great? Let's try something else. Change the background so there is an underwater aquarium. And there we go. So we have an underwater aquarium behind him. He's sitting on his sofa, and this is what it was before, and this is what it is now. So you can create travel style photos, professional looking portraits, or even unique social media content without ever leaving your home. So you found an old family photo that's faded, torn, maybe missing pieces, or only exists in black and white. So Galaxy AI can intelligently repair damaged sections, rebuild missing areas, sharpen blurry details, and even colorize all black and white photos to bring treasured memories back to life. So here I have this photo. At the side here, if you notice, the image has been torn. So I'll go ahead and use Galaxy AI to fix this. So we'll tap on Galaxy AI. We'll go ahead and circle in that area, and then we'll tap on Erase. And as you can see, Galaxy AI will basically fill in that blank for you. Now we'll go ahead and ask you to colorize it, color the image. And there we go. So we've added color, and it has also fixed up some creases which we had before. So this is what it was before, and this is what it is now. So as you can see, this is a fantastic way to preserve family history and create a meaningful keepsakes for future generations. So you want something more unique than a standard selfie. So you can transform your photo into an oil painting, maybe a watercolor masterpiece, pencil sketch, or artistic illustration in just a few taps. So Galaxy AI creates a completely new artistic version while preserving your original image. So to do this, go ahead and use Galaxy AI. Go ahead and tap on Create, and go ahead and ask it to change. Change the photo into a painted art. And there we go. So we've changed it from a real looking person to a painted art here. Like this, we can go ahead and ask it to change it into maybe a crayon style image. Change this photo into a crayon art. And there we go. So something from a crayon look. So it's ideal for wall art, profile pictures, personalized gifts, or simply creating something different from your everyday photo. So this is where things get really creative. So you can take a normal photo and completely change its story. So imagine adding maybe glowing magical effects around you, placing yourself in a fantasy forest, or even adding dragons flying in the sky behind you. A simple park photo can suddenly look like a scene from a movie or a video game. So here I have a photo. I'll go ahead and change this into this person having a fairy wing. So we'll go ahead and tap on Galaxy AI. We'll go ahead and tap on create, and I will go ahead and describe it. Add fairy wings to the person. And there we have it. We have wings. Let's go ahead and keep editing it, and let's go ahead and add a tiara on the head and make the lady fly around in a garden. And there we have it. So we have a tiara on her head, we have fairy wings, and we have a garden. So this is great for creative storytelling and social media content, or just turning an ordinary picture into something visually exciting. So Galaxy AI can modify lighting, weather, and time condition in a photo, such as turning daytime into sunset, adding rain, snow, fog, or nighttime lighting. So you took a photo in maybe dull or maybe bright sunlight, but you want to make it look dramatic. So with AI, you can turn it into a golden hour, a rainy city scene, or even a snowy winter environment. So here we'll use Galaxy AI, and we'll go ahead and first change this into a night photo. Change this into a night photo. And there we have it. So it's changing into a night photo. They've also added lights. So lights coming out from the window, and we have lights on top of the door. Let's go ahead and try another photo. Change this into a night photo. And there we have it. So this is what it was before, and it has slightly darkened it. Now let's go ahead and change this into a day photo. Change this into a day photo. And there we have it. So keep note, there's lights all switched on. And what we have now is all the lights are turned off. And we have a nice clear sky. We have reflection. And everything's looking like daylight. We even have shadows. Now let me just go ahead and show you one more where we'll basically change the weather. So here we have bright and sunny sky. We'll go ahead and make this into a snowy environment. Add snowfall to this photo. And there we have it. So we have snow falling down. Let's go ahead and keep editing it. Have plenty of snow on the ground. And there we go. We have snow everywhere. Let's try one more. Make this image really spooky and have fog all around the house. And there we have it. So we've made it into a spooky environment. So we have fog all around, and this is what it was before, and this is what it is now. So this gives your photo emotional depth and lets you control the mood of any image instantly. Now next up is double exposure image. So double exposure blends two separate images together into one artistic composition. So often merging portraits with landscape or abstract visuals. So you can take a portrait of yourself and combine it with a forest, ocean waves, or galaxy background. So the result is creative blend where your image and the environment becomes one. So the idea is you take a portrait of yourself and you combine it with a forest, ocean waves, or galaxy background. Now here we'll go ahead and use this photo, and we'll go ahead and ask it to create a double exposure. However, we'll go ahead and also give it the second photo where we'll basically explain maybe a galaxy photo or maybe an ocean wave as a background. Create me a double exposure photo using ocean waves. And there we have it. So we've created a double exposure. So we have ocean waves and we have that person in the background there. So this works great if you have a close-up of that person. Let's say, for example, this person here. We'll go ahead and ask to create a double exposure photo. Create me a double exposure photo with the galaxy in her face. So there we go. So you take a portrait of yourself and combine it with maybe a forest, ocean waves, or galaxy background, and the result is a creative blend where your image and the environment becomes one, just like this here. So it produces professional looking artistic image, perfect for branding, thumbnails, or creative post. So Galaxy AI can intelligently remove unwanted objects or people from a photo or insert a new element while matching light and perspective. So maybe someone walks into your perfect holiday photo or there's an object in the background you don't want. You can simply remove it and add something new to improve the composition. So here I have a photo of a married couple and they're in the middle of a crowd, and we'll go ahead and remove the crowd from this photo. So we'll use Galaxy AI, tap on create, remove the crowd from this photo. And there we go. So we've basically removed everyone and we've only left those two. So this is what it was before and this is what it is now. Now we'll go ahead and keep editing it. Now I want to go ahead and add a wedding car behind them. Add a wedding car behind the couple. And there we go. So now I've noticed that there are more people here in the background. We'll go ahead and remove this as well. Remove the people in the background behind the car. And there we go. So we've removed everyone and we've only left it with the car and the couple. So if I tap on keep editing it, if I look at the history, this is what we started off with. And this is what we have ended up with. Now, in addition to that, you can go ahead and even add photos to a existing photo. So here we'll go ahead and tap on this. We'll tap on create. We'll go ahead and find a person we want to add this. So for example, this person here, we'll tap done and we'll go ahead and blend two of these images together. And there we have it. So it gives you full control over your photos, helping you clean up or enhance scenes effortlessly. So this tool expands the edges of your photo by generating new AI created background that matches the original image seamlessly. So your photo feels too cropped or you want your space around the subject, AI can extend the sky, landscape, or environment so the image feels wider and more balanced. I feel like this image needs some space on the right and the left, so we'll go ahead and use Galaxy AI to expand from the left and right. Expand the image from left and right. And there we have it. So this is what it is before, and this is what it is now. So this is perfect for fixing frame issues or creating wider images for wallpaper or thumbnails. Now the last feature is where you can apply Galaxy AI art styles. So Galaxy AI offers multiple stylish filters such as anime, 3D toon, comic, pop art, watercolor, oil painting, crayon, and science fiction styles that completely transform the visual identity of your photo. So you take one photo and experiment with different styles, turning it into an anime work, a comic book scene, or maybe a futuristic science fiction portrait. So if I tap on Galaxy AI button here, then I'll tap on style, and here we have all the different styles we can choose from. Now this is for photo. However, if you have a portrait, you can use Webtoon, Studio, K-pop star, fisheye lens, golden hour, clay figures, 3D icon, 3D cartoon, watercolor, or a sketch. So you can go ahead and create all of this. Let's go ahead and choose the fisheye lens and we'll tap on generate. And there we go. Let's try Studio. Let's try K-pop. Cartoon. So as you can see, this allows endless creative variation from a single image, ideal for social media content or artistic experimentation. So that's how you use Galaxy AI Photo Assist in ways that go far beyond simple editing. You're not just fixing photos anymore, you're creating completely new versions of reality right from your phone. Now I want to know, which feature are you trying first? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications for more simple Samsung and AI tips here on The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.